Happy Monday, May 24th, 2021. Dave Galloway, CEO of Heartland Home Mortgage, with your Monday Mortgage Heartbeat. It's a beautiful day here in West Michigan, so another great day to talk about your home buying process. So today we're going to talk about kind of the next step. We've spent a few weeks talking about credit, getting you where you need to be as far as different programs, and just to see if you're eligible. The next step in this is really seeing what you can afford, and that all depends on basically what you generate for income, and whether that be fixed income, W-2, self-employed, or wherever it may be. There's a calculation that determines what the maximum debt to income ratio you can afford, and thus determining what you're pre-approved to. So there's obviously several different types of income and different ways of looking at them. So if you are W-2'd or you're self-employed, we look for 2 years of work history. So we do have to show a 2-year history. There are a couple exceptions to that rule. So you may have had a job gap in there. Maybe you stayed at home and raised some kids for a while. So we have to go prior to that to show 2 full years. That's okay. In addition, you may be a student that just graduated, and so you're just starting into your career. We can use your college transcripts to show that you were training for the profession you're in now. If you are a W-2 job, meaning, hey, I get a pay stub every week or every couple weeks, and I have a certain hourly or salary pay, very easy to figure out your calculation. If you're using overtime, bonuses, commissions, you have to show that for 2 full years to use that in these calculations. Some things you need to round up. You need to have tax returns ready. 2 years tax returns if you're self-employed, as well as the year-to-date profit and loss statement. If you're a W-2 employee, we need your last 2 years W-2s, your 2 most recent pay stubs. And that's for anybody that will be applying on the loan that you want to use their income. If it's a fixed income borrower, meaning maybe they're retired so they're receiving Social Security or a pension or disability, we're going to get the copy of the award letter and a couple bank statements in order to show the deposit of that, because you don't get a pay stub for those types of pay. So there are other types of pay you can receive, whether it's trust income, but anything we use has to flow through a tax return or have some kind of pay stub or W-2 that we can source that. So next week we'll talk about the different types of down payments per loan needed. So we've gotten through credit, we've gotten through income now, and once again the next step will be the down payment, and then you'll be ready to see how much you're pre-approved to. Have a great week.